Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.